How to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So without any further delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to have Coinbase application downloaded on your device. After that, you just need to click on receive and copy the wallet address of Ethereum. After that, you're just going to open up your browser on your laptop PC. After that, you're just going to log in into coinbase.com using your login credentials. After logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So you're just going to head over to the send or receive option. Just click on send or receive. After that, click on send. After you'll be able to see send and receive on your screen, and there you'll be able to find all of the coins. So you're just gonna choose go on with the option of pay with, and under pay with you'll be able to find an option. You need to scroll down until you are able to find Ethereum. Just click on it, just choose Ethereum from that. After choosing Ethereum as your asset, you're just gonna go on with the process of pasting the address that we just copied from Coinbase Wallet from your mobile application. After that, you just need to paste the address and tap on continue. After that, just enter the amount that you want to transfer, and your Ethereum should be transferred from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.